Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here, 2 o'clock at Dunbrody House. And today we're actually doing a very simple sponge. So it's that classic one, the 4, 4, and 4. So 4 eggs, 4 ounces of sugar, 4 ounces of flour, and that's our basic sponge. We're going to be doing a lovely lemon curd in there with a lovely cream, a little bit of marmalade, and it's delicious with a cup of tea. We have a few people here over from the cookery school today checking out this recipe. It's a baking course today, so they're doing it. I just was over there, and sticky toffee pudding just came out of the oven, so it's gorgeous stuff. In our mixing bowl, we're going to put in our 4 eggs. And everybody's kind of nervous about a sponge, but it's so simple, particularly if you've got a machine that's going to do all the beating, all the hard work for you. So 4 eggs. So in with the sugar, so simple as that. Into our mixing bowl. And just put it on full power, and you want that to get to a nice kind of thick, fluffy. I'll show you the consistency. So we have some fresh cream that we've just beaten up. Add some lemon curd in there. So this is when you can get creative. So you can actually just do like strawberry jam, fresh cream, and a sponge. Lemon curd is nice. Lemons are banging season at the moment, so the flavour is fantastic. So and you just want to beat that together. Just like that. Just keep that to the side. Okay. So this is a important stage there, Julian. So you kind of need to see this. Yeah. Everybody needs to see this. So I'll take it over here. So basically, you want when you get your whisk, you want a figure of 8. Kind of just sitting on top of the egg and the sugar. Sieve the flour directly into the bowl. Okay, you might see in recipes, and it says fold in the flour. Okay, so always use a stainless steel spoon when you're folding in, not a wooden spoon. And it's just the stainless steel kind of cuts through the mixture and keeps the air in it, where a wooden spoon will kind of break it back down, so it won't be quite as smooth. So you can see I'm just kind of stirring it and then lifting it out and twisting as I'm doing that. Now at this stage, you can add in a little bit of orange zest or lemon zest.
And if you want to do Swiss roll, is it the same mix?
It is the same mix as Swiss roll, except that you put it on a flat baking sheet, and you definitely need parchment paper on that one. So they're, as I said, going into the oven at 180 degrees, and you have to press play, Julian.
Oh, I don't
It always helps when the oven's on.
We'll bring it no. Yeah,
but that's okay, because we have ones that we've done earlier. So you can see that we put them on a cake rack. Okay, so just let them cool. So nicely cooled down. So we've got our first one here. Turn it over. And then we're going to put a little bit of marmalade. Marmalade, apricot jam is another nice one, but the marmalade is kind of nice. So it's orange and lemon, so it's keeping with the citrus fruit. And then we have our lemon curd cream. So just kind of push that out to the sides. Like so. So the other one on top, a little bit of ice and sugar over the whole lot. And there you have the perfect, simple sponge with lemon curd and marmalade inside.